Fix the differential and unscrew the fixing bolts. Remove the final drive gear. Fix the differential and knock out the dowel pin with the punch. Note: protection must be conducted when knocking the dowel pins with a punch to avoid injuries to people. Remove the planetary gear shaft. Firstly, take out the left planetary gear and the right axial shaft gear. Mark properly to avoid mistakes in installation. Then take out the right planetary gear and the left axial shaft gear. Mark properly to avoid mistakes in installation. Notes: 1. Make sure that all parts are cleaned before installation. 2. The removed stop rings and pins cannot be reused and must be replaced. 3. Check if the cone bearing and the needle bearing are normal. Replace them if necessary. 4. Check if the gear tooth space, the gear tooth surface, the helical tooth and inner diameter are normal. 5. The operation area must be applied with gear oil before installation. 6. Protections must be conducted when pressing, according to the operation specification manual of the hydraulic press. 7. Protections must be conducted when knocking the dowel pins with a punch to avoid injuries to people. 8. All the fixing bolts and nuts must be tightened with a specified torque with different wrenches accordingly. Firstly, install the left axial shaft gear and the right axial shaft gear. Then install the right planetary gear and the left planetary gear. Please pay attention to the installation position. Install the planetary gear shaft. Reverse the differential. Install the dowel pins. Install the final drive gear. Install the fixing bolts. Tightening torque of the bolt 137 plus minus 3 Newton meter. Check the differential gear clearance. Adjust the dial indicator. Turn the gear manually. Check the differential axle shaft gear clearance. The gear clearance 0.025 to 0.150 mm.